Hello my dear students, this is Physics Balaji. Today let us discuss JEE Mains question paper conducted on 21st January 2026 evening shift question paper. So now I am discussing 1 to 5 questions in this. First question. This question belongs to current electricity. In a circuit there is a battery with internal resistance R and a battery EMF with external load resistance R given. So the value of R so that power becomes maximum, he was asking. In this closed loop, current formula becomes I equal to total EMF by total resistance R plus R. So here I want power. So power across the resistor will be P equal to I square R, where I is the current passing through it. So now the power becomes P equal to I square value E square by R plus R whole square into capital R. Here the value of R for which power becomes maximum he asked. That means, so power is a function, capital R is a variable. So let us differentiate this one and make it 0 for a function to be maximum. So differentiate this one. Here you can see it's a U by V formula. E square is constant. U by V formula. V into U derivative. R derivative 1 minus U V derivative 2 into R plus R. Internal derivative 1 by denominator R plus R whole power 4 equal to 0. Now we can do further calculation here. Small r plus capital R whole square equal to 2 capital R into small r plus capital R. This term will get cancelled. So small r equal to capital R we got. First option. Let's go to next question. Second question belongs to ray optics. Refractive index of a prism is given. What should be the angle of incidence for which the ray emerges grazing out the surface? This ray should graze the surface, he was asking. So this is the refracted ray and this should be the emergent ray. He mentioned, so this emergent ray will be grazing the surface. That means this angle I2 will be 90. When it is grazing emergence, this should be equal to critical angle. R2 should be equal to C. So let us name this is R1 and this is some I1. We know prism rules R1 plus R2 equal to A. Here angle of prism is given 90. R2 value it is given C plus R1. How to find C value? When light ray is traveling from denser medium to rarer medium, then we know mu equal to form a critical angle condition 1 by sin C. So mu prism value we know root 2 equal to 1 by sin C. From this we will get C value 45 degree. Substitute C value here 45 degree, you will get R1 value as 45. Now apply Snell's law during first refraction. So air medium 1 into sin I1 equal to mu prism into sin R1. So we know mu value as root 2. So R1 value we got 45. Sin 45 value will be 1 by root 2. So then sin I1 equal to 1. That implies I1 value 90. Third question. This question belongs to circular motion with friction. A block of mass is at rest with respect to hollow cylinder which is rotated with the angular speed omega. So this cylinder was rotating with an angular velocity. As the cylinder rotates, so the particle in it will have centrifugal force will be there. I will show you. So it was the centrifugal force and should balanced with normal reaction. So weight of this body always acts downwards. So without slipping, here it is the friction acting, here it is given. Find the minimum coefficient of friction he was asking between the block and cylinder. Now let us balance both of them. So centrifugal force formula will be M. Here radius is mentioned R omega square. So equate. So we got N value as mr omega square and friction is balanced with mg. If it is ready to slip, this becomes Fs max. We know Fs max formula was mu s into N equal to mg. So mu s into, we know N value was mr omega square equal to mg. So here m will get cancelled. Mu becomes g by r omega square. So this is option 2. Fourth question. It is a meter bridge given and here it is given left resistance 30, right resistance 20. So they are asked to find AP length. So we know formula for meter bridge was left resistance by x by y equal to L by 100 minus L, where x is the left resistance, y is the right resistance. So left resistance 30, right resistance 20 equal to, so this is balance length from left, L by 100 minus L. So if you simplify this one, 300 minus 3L equal to 2L. So 300 equal to 5L. So L value will get 60 centimeters. Fifth question. This question belongs to electrostatics. Here, two spheres having equal mass and charge and radius r are moving towards each other. Both have speed u at an instant. The distance between the centers is 4r initially. The minimum value of u so that they touch each other. That means it was the initial position. Finally, they will touch each other like this. Touch each other means their final velocity can become 0. So initial velocity they are asking, final velocity 0 given. So here only the electrostatic force are acting. So the best method is apply law of conservation of energy. So law of conservation of energy means initial energy is equal to final energy. That means initial potential energy plus kinetic energy equal to final potential energy plus final kinetic energy. So for a sphere, so you should have self energy also will be there. It's not a point, it's a sphere. So self energy of a sphere plus same charge, same mass, self energy of second sphere, both the two will be, twice will be there, plus interaction energy formula for both the spheres is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q into q square by separation 4r plus kinetic energy of each sphere is half mu square. Two particles are there, two spheres are there, equal to final potential energy is, so self energy of each sphere will be same, two spheres are there, plus interaction energy formula will be 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q into q square by, now separation between these two becomes from center to center distance will be 2r, so interaction energy will be 2r. So velocity 0, so kinetic energy 0. So here self energy twice will get cancelled both sides. From this you can find u value. You will get second option.